As lawyers, we're often called in to provide our legal advice at the very end of the project or right before a product is deployed on the market. Sounds familiar, right? Well, with legal by design, we change this completely and we anticipate our legal intervention at the very early stages of the project. So we participate in the design phase just as much as designers, developers, or marketing, to name a few. So we shift from being advisors to becoming an integral part of that creative team. So when we're talking about legal by design here, we're not talking about graphic design like the visuals and the icons. We're talking about a way of working where we are creatively solving existing real problems, which we detect at the very early stage of the project. So we identify what are the causes of those pain points for our consumers or clients or in general for our end users, which means for us lawyers to understand what are the legal risks and what measures we can put in place to either reduce them or eliminate them. So these pain points, the causes of those pain points, become our guiding principle throughout the whole creation process. And we're not doing this just to protect our company or our employer. We're doing this to protect our consumers, our clients, our end users. To fulfill the needs and the value expectations of our end users, we cannot possibly work in silos. We need to work as diverse and inclusive teams where we combine our cross-functional expertise and our perspectives. The world needs us not only as lawyers, but as legal designers. So this new generation of products and services that are trustless by design, that self-enforce like smart contracts, that are human-centered, and that are legal and privacy by design, creates a huge challenge for us lawyers. We have to create solutions that cannot be used illegally. So let me give you an example. Let's think about cars and how we can design them in such a way that they cannot, by design, exceed the speed limit on a specific street. And we must find ways to offer this value exchange, this personalization to our end users without compromising their privacy or their rights. So in this uncertainty, in this complexity, legal by design is key.